Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make simple fruity Chapman drink with just 2 drinks, and guess what, we're gonna have a touch of Campari in one of the pitchers and one plain fruity Chapman in another pitcher, so that at the end of the day you have just a beautiful Chapman drink for everybody. So if you want to see how I made this, come with me on this video. So to make this Chapman drink, I'm going to get a pitcher. I already have my fruits diced and I'm going to show you that later. So I'm going to make this Chapman with just 2 drinks. The first one here is the Chapman drink itself. Here I'm using Schweppes, and this is a Schweppes Chapman variant. Using Schweppes like this is very easy for me because it's already been prepared to serve this purpose. You may want to use grenadine syrup, but I don't like the taste. And then the second drink is Sprite. Sprite will simply add to the flavor of this Chapman and make it sweet and good to consume. It also helps to dilute the concentration of the Chapman. I will also add some ice cubes. This will make more sense if you want to consume the Chapman immediately after preparing it. So I'm going to add in 2 bottles of Sprite and 2 cans of the Chapman drinks. So you buy those drinks really expensive in a restaurant, and it's really easy to make, trust me. This is what most people simply make and sell out. For mine, I like to make it look more beautiful, spicy by adding some fruits. So I'm first going to add some apples. When choosing my apples, I like to choose the red and green apples. They are actually sweeter, and then they give me 2 colors as well. And then when I dice them in a cube shape to make them look very beautiful, attractive, and easy to consume. So after dicing my apples, I put them in a cup. I'll go ahead to slice my cucumbers, all in cube shape, and then to my watermelon. You can use any fruits you want, but make sure it's something they can eat with a drink. You can't choose something like bananas or avocados. So after cutting my fruits, I'm just going to add them into my drinks, and then I'm going to cover this and set it aside. Although I'm not done with it, but I'll set this aside and get another pitcher for the next batch. So just like I made the first batch, I'm just going to have 2 cans of the Chapman drinks and then 2 cans of the Sprite drinks. And then I'm going to add the fruits again this time, the 3 fruits again in this one. And then I'm going to make this a little different from each other. This is so that everyone can actually enjoy your fruity Chapman drink. So for one of the pitchers, I'm going to have lemon squeezed in it, and the other of the pitcher, I'm going to have Campari in it. Lemons contain citric acid, and it will actually help to give the Chapman drink a sharp taste. It is completely optional and you can choose not to add it. While for the second pitcher, I'm going to add a shot of Campari. You can use any choice of your wine, but it should be a spirit. Please do not add creams into this like Baileys or whatever. You're going to spoil it. And depending on how you consume your alcohol, you can choose to add more than this. For me, we don't really take alcohol, so I'll just take a shot in this and we are good to go. But then I'm going to label it so that it will let us understand which one of the pitcher is with Campari, so that those who do not want to take any form of alcohol can choose to leave this out. So that's that with Campari, and without Campari, just a touch of lemon juice. You should go ahead to give this a stir so that everything can be well mixed, and once they're thoroughly mixed, your Chapman is ready to be served. If you want to serve immediately to your guests or to your visitors or to yourself, you can use some ice cubes, take in with a glass jars, and have some drinks. When pouring, make sure to always open your pitcher so that the fruits can go along with the juice. So you can go ahead to serve them as you want, and you can also bottle this up in plastic containers. If you are not drinking up at once, of course you can keep this in your refrigerator and serve at any intervals that you want to enjoy them. In fact, this can be your regular drink in the house, and your children would definitely love it. I hope you love this video. If you give this a try, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to this channel and also like this video. More recipes dropping soon, and I'd love to see you there. Take care for now. Bye.